My name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing my new bottom grill and a splitter. Yes, I have an SS, and yes, I have a ZL1 bumper. So deal with it. So first I'm going to take my splitter with my new grill and align it right where it's supposed to be so it doesn't mess up. It is handmade, the splitter, so I just want to make sure I can get it as perfect as I can before putting it on the car and then messing up. But yeah, I'm just going to drill 2 holes, 1 on each side, so when I put this piece on, that when I put the splitter up, that I can just put one nail in this side and then align it perfectly, and I don't have any problems with it aligning wrong. And I'm going to do the other side. So now that I have both nails in, I'm going to take them out because obviously they go the other way, not the way I drilled them in. Now I'm going to go outside and take the other one off and put this one on. These are all little tabs, and then they put screws through just this one and then over there. So we're gonna take those out, but most of them are just like the push down and push. Okay. Oops. You literally can just take them out with your hand. So on these corners, there's also tabs that you push down and you have to push really hard to get it out. So they had the tab pushed down, and then this literally just went through it, so it didn't slide. Went through it. So just like that. And then the same thing for the other side. So I'm gonna go throw that away and then take it off jack stands. Who's man? And then I'm gonna do rods for it. I have some now, but they're really small, so I'm not really sure if I want to put them on. So I'm gonna order bigger ones just so it can support it. Yeah. So I ended up putting splitter rods in because it was hanging down really bad. So I'm gonna